Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. In this video I'm going to show you how to do these little peacocks. I did this tutorial today and I have a subscriber that requests if I can do a little bit more of zoom in and slow and how to do the little peacock. So I'm going to give continuation to the same stitch to show you how to do the little peacocks. And if you don't see this video tutorial, I'm going to leave the link. You're going to see an eye. You click on the eye and that will bring you to this video tutorial. It's really easy to do. So I'm going to continue with the stitch. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to turn my work around. I'm going to do a double crochet and then a chain space and a double crochet in the next space, that is a single crochet. So now I'm going to do the peacock. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and on top of the double crochet through that loop and the double crochet, those two, I'm gonna do my slip stitch and a slip stitch to the chain space like that. So I'm gonna do 3 double crochet and then 3 chain space. And like this is how you do the, or I do the little peacocks for any other projects that I have to do a peacock. So I'm going to do a yarn over and the next single crochet I'm going to do a double crochet. And you see those 2 loops where I do the slip stitch is through there where I pass my hook again and do the slip stitch for the peacock through those 2. So I do the slip stitch to close the double crochet and I chain 3. And I pass through those 2 loops again. You see those 2 loops? And I do the slip stitch for the peacock, like that. I'm gonna do 3 double crochet. And 3. And then number 4. I'm going to do the peacock again. So you see those 2 where I close the top of the double crochet. When I do the slip stitch through there I pass it again. So 1, 2 and 3, and again I pass through those 2 and I do the slip stitch, and like that is how you're going to continue all the way, and that's how they look. Well, like this is how I look the little peacocks. For any project that you're doing, either you're doing this stitch or other stitch, that's how I do the little peacocks. They're very easy to do. So I hope you guys like it. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make anything with this stitch or little peacocks and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.